back to my channel. So if you are passionate about the design and want to master the art of typography, so you are in the right place. Okay, so here we break down everything from the typography, choosing the right fonts like a pro. So let's dive in and make typography your superpower. Okay, so start with the basics. Okay, as a graphic designer we create the logos, brochures, website and so many branding elements. We focus so heavily on the visuals, the graphics, that we often forget. We often overlook very important, but the typeface, the rated content, the words in the design, cautious flows about the have to be carefully curated and styled. Okay. And next we discuss the introduction. Okay. टाइपोग्राफी इज एवरीवेयर वी लुक. ओके, टाइपोग्राफी को हम हर जगह देखते हैं. ठीक है. इट्स इन द बुक्स वी रीड, on the websites we visit, and even in everyday life on street signs, bumper stickers and product packaging. Okay, so next we discuss the what is typography. Typography hoti kya hai? Okay, so let's elaborate for you. Typography is the style or appearance of text. It can also refer to the art of working with text, something you probably do all the time if you create the documents or other projects for work, school or yourself. Okay. Now let's discuss the examples of typography. Okay, so let's see the first one, which one is the serif fonts. Serif fonts. Okay, so let's elaborate for you. Serif fonts have the little strokes called the serifs attached to the main part of the letter. Because of their classic look, they are a good choice for more traditional projects. They are also common in print publications like magazines and newspapers. Okay, I mean to say friends, जब भी आपने कोई भी newspaper पढ़ा हो, I mean to say English newspaper, okay, like Times of India, okay, तो इस तरीके के न्यूज़पेपर्स में, मैगजीन्स में आपको हमेशा ही इस टाइप की फॉन्ट्स का एक एग्जाम्पल देखने के लिए मिलेगा. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट वी डिस्कस सम कॉमन टाइप्स ऑफ फॉन्ट्स. ओके, so typography can be an intimidating subject, but it doesn't have to be. You only need to know a little to make a big difference in the stuff you do every day. So let's get started, and first some common types of fonts and what you need to know about them. Okay, so let's see this one, sans serif fonts. Sans serif fonts. Okay, so sans serif fonts don't have that extra stroke, hence the name, which is the French for without serif. This style is considered the more clean and modern than serif fonts. Also, it tends to be the easier to read on computer screens, including the smartphones and tablets. Okay, यहाँ पे आप examples देख सकते हो. Okay, now next we discuss the display fonts. Display fonts. Okay, so let's elaborate for you. Display fonts come in many different styles like script, black letter, all caps and just plain fancy. Because of their decorative nature, display fonts are best for small amounts of text like titles and headers and more graphic heavy designs. Okay, is that clear? So next we discuss choosing a font. Choosing a font. Okay, so let's elaborate for you. In a way, fonts have their own language. They all have something to say beyond the words on the page. They can come across as casual or neutral, exotic or graphic. That's why it's important to think about your message, then choose a font that fits. Okay, and next we discuss the font to avoid. ओके, आई मीन टू से ऐसे कौन से फॉन्ट्स है जो आपको अवॉइड करने चाहिए. ठीक है, अपने कंटेंट क्रिएशन में, किसी भी काम में. ठीक है, सो लेट्स सी दिस वन. सम फॉन्ट्स कम विद एक्स्ट्रा बैगेज इंक्लूडिंग कॉमिक सेंस, कर्ल्स एंड पेपिरस. देयर नथिंग particularly wrong with these fonts. They just have a certain reputation for being outdated and overused. Okay, आई मीन टू से फ्रेंड्स, इस टाइप के फॉन्ट्स हम इसलिए यूज़ नहीं करते हैं क्योंकि ये बहुत ज़्यादा क्या होते हैं, आउटडेटेड होते हैं और ओवर यूज़ होते हैं, जगह जगह यूज़ होते हैं. ठीक है, यदि हमें अपने कंटेंट को बहुत ज़्यादा एलिगेंट, डिफरेंट शोकेस करना है तो हमें कुछ ऐसे फॉन्ट्स का पेयर बनाना पड़ेगा जिससे कि हमारा जो कंटेंट है बहुत ज़्यादा कैची लगे, बहुत ज़्यादा जो है लोगों के लिए अपीलिंग हो पाए. ओके, नाउ लेट्स डिस्कस द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट वेबसाइट फॉर फॉन्ट चूजिंग, विच वन इज द DaFont. DaFont. Okay, so let's elaborate for you. DaFont is one of the most popular free font directories on the internet, widely used by designers, students, content creators and hobbyists. It offers a huge collection of fonts in various styles from modern and minimal to decorative, handwritten, retro and even novelty designs. Okay. Now let's discuss the licensing and uses. Okay. So while DaFont provides the free fonts, it's important to check the license details and free for personal use. Most fonts can be used in personal projects like a school, assignments, drafts or personal branding. Okay. Next one is the commercial use. Okay. Requires the purchasing or obtaining permission from the font creator. Okay. So finally we discussed why designers love DaFont. Why designers love DaFont? Okay, I mean to say friends, क्यों designers जो है DaFont website को पसंद करते हैं? Okay, so let's see this one. So let's see the first point. It's a beginner friendly and simple to navigate. Okay. Next point is that provides a unique and creative fonts not commonly found in default software. Okay. And last we have the idea for DIY projects, posters, logos, social media posts and presentations. Okay, is that clear? So yeah, that's it for today and I hope you learned something new and see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye.